the Wilhelm, the name of the emperor in Germany. And after the First World War, and he visited here. Yep. And also this is the one, he built this one. That's why German fountain, we call it German fountain. Actually interior, there is the stamp of Ottoman Empire. The other side is the stamp of Germany. It's dedicated to Istanbul by him, by the Wilhelm. That's why we call it the German fountain, this one. Right now we will see the Bali Mosque. Bali Mosque, we will go inside. If I say to my friend, cannot speak English, and the Bali Mosque, they don't understand me. When we translate the Bali Mosque is a Mavi Jami. Where is the Mavi Jami? Always we call this mosque as a Sultanahmet. It was built by the Sultanahmet. You remember who repaired the Hagia Sophia? The architect Sinan. And architect Sinan students and built this one. Its name is Mehmet Sqaure. Name of the architect's name, Mehmet Sqaure, was built by students. If the students built this one, you can imagine the teacher. And while we were coming here, I showed the one of the mosques. This is the mosque I told the story before. You remember? He was smoking the shisha inside and stopped the construction. The Iranian king thought that the Ottoman Empire already finished the money and couldn't complete this mosque. Couldn't complete the construction. That's why he sent the money to Ottoman Empire. But the Sultan Suleiman, magnificent Suleiman, was angry at the situation. How the Iranian king think the Ottoman Empire and already finished the money. And he ordered the mixed the gold and cement together, built the one tower. That's why during the sunsetting this mosque and was shining because still interior had the Iranian king's gold there. When he was the apprentice, he built the mosque here. When he was the Middle East carrier, he built this mosque. When he's top of his carrier, he built the mosque near the Bulgaria. Its name is Selimiye Mosque. More or less same design. But this mosque, there is the one place in this mosque, when you look at the mosque, you can see only two minarets, two towers. Normally it is a 4 towers. He just hide the two minarets behind the first minarets. And also one minaret, 3 people climb up there, they don't see each other. From inside, it's like the labyrinth. He was really crazy architects from the Ottoman Empire. And when you're back, and also you can search, you can watch some documentaries about him as well. The one of the mosque, and also he built the mosque in the garden. The one pillar, like, have the arch, no pillars, and then one arch. He keep the one arch on the air. But as an architecture, this is difficult actually. And this arch already demolished. And there's 20 different, this is very new, 100 years ago. 20 different architects came together, they couldn't fix it because they couldn't understand how he keep the arch on the air. That's why during the construction they found one of the tube. The tube, inside they found the letter from the architects, and he wrote the description how they fix this one. And also he wrote that, I know this arch life the maximum 400 years. He wrote the description how to fix it, and also they follow the description, and so they fix it. This. When he was a young age, and he fell in love with the Sultan's daughter, but the Sultans didn't let them get married. And then later, the Sultans has a Grand Vizier, and his daughter got married with the Grand Vizier, not with the architects, Sinan. Because of his love, he built the 2 mosques in Istanbul. The one is in the Asian side, the one is in the European side. 21 all March in Turkey, in Istanbul, nighttime duration, daytime duration, more or less same duration, same. That's why during sunsetting, you can see the moon on the side. There is the one point in Istanbul, you can see the both mosques like this. And just behind the mosque is the sunsetting, the other mosque behind, the moon is rise up. The name of the daughter's name, Mihrimah Sultan, we call it. Mihrimah in Arabic language, what do you call it? Sun and moon.
Okay.
You can imagine how he calculated the whole details and also built the 2 mosques, and the location and everything. Because of his love, he built these 2 masjids in Istanbul as well. But how he guessed the life arch is going to demolish in the 400 years later. Right now, this letter in the museum, the description, they display in the museum right now.
So this is where the horses.
Yeah, this is all for the horses. Okay, but no more. Before, because all part of Istanbul before the Byzantine Empire, the Roman Empire were living here. They had a Roman ancient city here. And also during the Byzantine Empire, they rebuilt the city. But the Ottoman Empire, they destroyed the hippodrome. And also they built the Blue Mosque. And also you can see the Sam Mosque as well here. And the Grand Bazaar. And also this is the buildings in front of you.
That's the hippodrome.
Okay. This is the picture. 1,700 years ago, Istanbul was like this. But right now, I will show you. You understand? This is the one. Right now we are here, in front of the Blue Mosque. It's like this right now. And also they built the university. This is the university. Right now.
Is that Turkey University? Or?
Yeah, Turkey University, Marmara. This is the end of Topkapi. You remember this?
Yeah.
So there's a view of the Golden Horn and the Mosque is this.
Why is the Golden Horn called the Golden Horn? Because of the turn?
Because it looks like a horn like this. If I find that in picture, it looks like that.
Too close.
Slow mo. Isn't it funny that we stopped there to get ready and lots of people stop? That happens to us.
for the year of the students and the many companies of 50 business can work with us. They do agreement with the good seller. What do you want to eat? There is one restaurant here. Food is good. Have many options. But the Sultanahmet is a historical restaurant, and it's famous with the meatball. Their meatball is different from others. It's up to you. If you say, let's check and go here, you have the many options here. But this one, they have only beef, chicken, and this kind of thing. Beef, chicken, grill, this kind of thing. And
She wants tea.
here, pudding shop, maybe we can go.
I mean, he's saying it was all 50. This is the word on the street that this is where you come to the other travelers.
This is a lot of people. Going to the Grand Bazaar.
Next 15 days, I don't have the tour.
So you gonna take a break?
Take a break. Time to take a break for 25 days.
Wow.
But I will work in the office.
Yeah.
I need to work for the next fair. Oh, it's full. Oh, it's empty here.